Hello, and I promise this is the last time you'll see me running through a video, but here we are, Learning Unit 5, Week 5, basically centered on your final thoughts and closing out your capstone, your very whirlwind like capstone experience. So in the discussion, just talk about what did you learn? What was your professional growth? How does this prepare you for industry? Something in cloud, which is cloud computing, which is huge. Remember, cloud computing is new enough that there's still a lot to be accomplished, and that would be my perspective on what you should take away from this course. So, what did you learn? What skills? I mean, hopefully you've done some pretty good research out there. All of the services or all of the platforms that are out there have very good resources to rely on. Um, everything that you run across or ran across during this whole very expedited experience, I want to hear about during the discussion. So take that, and then basically the assignment is going to speak to the project closeout. You're going to create a pretty much a holistic, comprehensive final report that starts with your executive summary. And yes, I will post these. You'll be able to review all of these. Your project objectives. Why did you do this? Your solution overview, the problem and then the solution. Your technical architecture. Yeah, I need to see if you understand how to put the architecture together in a cloud computing scenario. Um, your security considerations, that's always a part of a cloud, a cloud situation. We'll call it that. Your testing, uh, once again, lessons learned are always a part of that. And then I do want you to create a recommendation. What would you recommend as far as future expansion or considerations for your project? Um, so whatever cloud resources, and there's a ton out there, please include those in this final report. This final report should be pretty extensive. We're probably stating 6 to 10 pages. So you do need to spend a good amount of time just finishing out a report that says, this is what I learned during my capstone experience. You can create a presentation. As a matter of fact, I would prefer that you have an outline of your final report and then a presentation. Even if you can do a video presentation, that's fine, but that's not required. Um, but if you do get a chance, uh, I it's it is listed in the assignment requirements. Um, I'm supposed to ask you for a video demonstration or a walkthrough of your project itself. So make sure you review the assignment requirements, but primarily what I'm looking for is a kind of a closeout report. This is what I've done. This is how I'm going to add to the cloud computing um, industry and discipline with what I've learned during the capstone, which is the whole purpose of your capstone experience. So I do want to thank you all. Um, I've taught capstone courses before. This is my first for Millimrot. This is my first for cloud computing. I've done security, I've done technology, I've done AI even. And well, technically the machine learning and the aspects of that, but that's all included in like a cloud computing scenario. So I do appreciate all that you have accomplished, and I look forward to seeing what your final project report looks like. Thanks a lot, and please take care. On to bigger and better things. That's my thumbs up.